finally got the ND filters, I finally got the chin mount, and I finally got the purple Panda mic. Hopefully the audio is coming through. Yeah, so it's right here. This is the mic going up into my headset, or not headset, into my helmet. Hopefully the wind problem has been solved and the lighting problem has been solved by the microphone and ND filters. But this footage is in 4K, 60 FPS, Superview, so it's really wide. And yeah. The main reason I even got this camera though is because I'm planning on upgrading to a 600cc, and I just want to remember the good old 300cc days. Yeah, but this thing is, it's pretty nice. Yeah, I'm getting a the clutch has been a little weird recently, so I'm gonna fix that. I'm gonna take it back to New York. I'm gonna film some M3 videos, and yeah, should be kind of cool.